on over to these two websites and download the prerequisite programs. Download and install these programs, for this is what you need to be able to run the commands. Then once you've done that, you're gonna go to Mapbox. Under the account tab, you're gonna create an access token. You're gonna name the map to whatever map you're uploading at the time, and followed by the date of the map. You're also gonna make sure you tick the upload right. Once you've done that, you're going to copy this and you're going to paste it into a notepad. You're going to want to do this is because once you've created this token and you refresh the website, you cannot get the secret access token key any longer. So you're going to make sure you paste that into the notepad. Once that is all done, you're going to go over to get your map from DroneDeploy. Select the map that you would want to obtain. So once you're in the map, wait for it to load finished. Once that's done, you're going to click over export. And you're going to go under GeoTIFF map here. You're going to type in your email so that you could retrieve the download from your email address. Make sure to select the correct coordinate system, which is going to be WebMarketer. And make sure resolution is max available. After that, you're going to click export, and your export is going to be processing, and you will see it in your email once that is done. So go over to your email, and you'll see that there is going to be email such as this one, and you're going to click on the download button. So once your download is done, your file will look like this. It's going to be titled map and maybe followed by orthomosaic and followed by the date that you retrieve the map. So what you're going to do is you're going to extract the files, but since we're only going to need one particular file, you can choose to just extract it, but I prefer extracting the entire folder. So you're going to take this TIFF file. This is the only file that you need. Okay, so once that is all done, you're going to go over to command prompt. I have with me the notepad that these are the codes that you'll be keying in. So you're just going to grab your access token key, and you're basically just going to copy and paste and replace the prompt. So over here, secret access token, you're going to copy and paste that, and you're going to change your username to whatever you're using at the time. Then you're going to copy this command into command prompt. So once this command is run, you're going to copy and paste this entire thing and paste it into your notepad. These are basically the login credentials to upload into Mapbox. So we're going to copy and paste so that you can refer to it and see bucket and key and access key ID. These are like your login credentials and passwords. So again, copy and paste everything and replace these specifics in the curly brackets. So you're going to copy and paste session token. So you're going to make sure you copy it correctly. Make sure where it's ending at the open and closing quotation marks. Usually it's behind URL, so that's how you usually find a session token. So once that's all done, you're going to copy and paste these individually into the command prompt. You're gonna copy, paste, and then you're gonna enter, run the command. All right. Do it for all of these 3. And once that's done, you're gonna run this command. So this is basically to stage your data on the server in Amazon before you can actually upload it to Mapbox. So this one is a bit different, but just follow along. So you're gonna copy this to file's path. All right, you're gonna copy as path, and you're gonna go over, paste it into this path to file. Yeah, once that's done, again, replace the buckets and key in the curly brackets. Copy and paste. And usually, whenever you upload a new map and generate these are always different, so you want to make sure you're copying it correctly. But the format is basically almost the same. Once that's done, copy and paste this command again. And it's going to start staging your file. So as you can see here, it's going to state when it's going to finish. And this may take some time, so once you're doing that, while you let it do its own thing, you're gonna prepare the final command. So again, copy and paste the bucket. Okay, there's also the key. So the key, and you have username as well. Now the tileset name is going to be the Mapbox token that you created over here. That is going to be this name, so you're going to copy and paste it over in here. And once that's done, again, finally, the username and the secret access token needs to be replaced. Now this may seem tricky at first, but once you've done it a couple of times, it's going to be more easier. So again, sometimes there may be problems with this command, this final command in particular. So you know if the whole thing that you've done is successful is when you see this particular prompt. Complete false, error null created. So what this means is that it's uploading your file into Mapbox. And this may take some time, but once it's all done, you're gonna head over to Mapbox under Studio. You're gonna go to the style that you're gonna replace this map into. So first one, I'm going to be replacing the map in main map. So we're going to click add new layer. Alright, custom layer, and you're going to search up the map that you've uploaded. The name is going to be the tile set name that you've created, basically the token name that you've given. And you're gonna click on it, and it's going to be in your map box. So if you have a previous version of this map, you may want to delete it so that you won't have a duplicate. Gonna right click the old one and just click delete. So once that's all done, your map is going to be in here. So you're going to publish the map so that it is basically finalizing it. So after that, and you want to upload this to Gaia. If the map is not synced yet, you're going to follow these instructions. Click on share, third party, click on cartel, copy the integration URL, You're gonna head over to this site. I'll have it in the description. This is the trails behind site. You're gonna copy and paste this URL. Make sure the zoom is between 1 to 19, and you're gonna copy the JSON editable. You're gonna use this program called Sublime Text. Paste it in. Alright. Copy and paste. Then you're gonna go to File and save it as whatever you're gonna upload into Gaia. So we call the file full map. Alright. So full map.json, make sure there's a JSON extendable. And once you have this folder, you're gonna first off log into your Gaia account before you upload. And you're gonna head over to Gaia to upload the map source. So select the file that you just created just now, the JSON editable file. Once you've uploaded, you're gonna go under map sources and you should see it appear here. And make sure the sync is alright. And that's it. Your file should be synced up to Mapbox, so in the future, when you upload to Mapbox, Gaia will also automatically update to the same map as well.